because it's like, bitch, look at where the fuck I'm at. And that's because
Hi,
I
guys.
never changed. So guys, never change for other people.
Guys, no soy Jenny. No soy Jenny.
I remember
Soy
once
Irma.
a bad experience that
Mala
I had.
chula.
It was in junior year.
Guys, I'm sick.
And nos íbamos a ir a la peda. I think
This
we
is
were
my
gonna go
fifth
to the
day,
beach,
fifth
to
mukbang.
Long Beach.
How are you guys?
And I was with a couple of friends. It was like a group of friends that we would always hang out.
You know, when I was young
Y había otra morra de otra
and back in the
escuela, and she would
70s,
go
let me know where
sometimes.
this.
And I could tell she
I'm
didn't
watching
like me
Erica
because I
Angel
would
again on
hear
YouTube.
stuff that she would say about me. And I
Nice
think she would also say
influencer, one of my favorites probably. Not my favorite right now already. I have no rights to anything you hear in the background, you know, music or whatever if I sing to you guys. Today, my Julia told Samantha, go get some chickens. Okay, I guess because we're all sick, you know, and chicken's good for you. So yeah, I got she got a lemon pepper chicken and a traditional. And then I had chicken salad from the other day, and then I went beaners. But I don't feel like maybe I'll get a tostada or two. Guys, yesterday I'm mukbang for you guys at Jack in the Box, remember? Whatever. Wake up. Wake up. Brain farts. I got some special shout outs today, okay? Okay, this one is going out to Manuel Arman. Manuel Arman, he's from Mexico. He speaks English. I don't know how to talk to him just by text on Facebook, but he seems like a really cool guy. So yes, he como que se es jovencito, but he doesn't have a picture in his profile. Manuel, pon una pinche foto. No seas cabrón. Okay, and then the next shout out, y te quiero mucho. Elizabeth Torres. Oh my God, Elizabeth. She is from Temple, Texas, which is, I already did the math or whatever, 9 hours away from me. You know, she's been commenting for a while and stuff, and sometimes I don't look at the comments because I think like, they're not going to comment on me, you know? A ver, espérame, Elizabeth Torres. Elizabeth, muy bonita, Elizabeth, jovencita. Elizabeth, I stole some of your stuff. You got some cool stuff in there. I was like, share. Okay, I hope you don't mind. Thank you very much for being here and supporting me, Elizabeth and Manuel. Everybody else, there's been a lot of comments in there, which I really do. It makes me want to cry. I really do appreciate it because y'all tell me that I'm beautiful. I don't feel that way because for many years, for all my life, I was very overweight. I try to fix myself and wear beautiful clothes and stuff and stuff like that, pero nunca me sentía bonita. Apenas now that I'm older is when I started feeling better, way better looking, pretty. But yeah, only when I dress up, you know? Take all this shit off and waka, pues que este es África. No, I guess a lot of women, I'm not trying to offend any of my women out there, are not too good looking without makeup, you know. Speaking of that, guys, go to Google and look up one. To me, one of the most beautiful women is válgame, Sofía Vergara, I'm también Vergara. Sofía Vergara. Look at her without makeup. Oh my God. I guess we all change that. But there's a lot of women out there, my ladies, my chulas out there that are naturally beautiful. Just like Elizabeth Torres. She don't need makeup. She has a really pretty face, really youthful face. Muy se ve bien chavalita, como en sus 20s, se me hace que está. Maybe she might say she hit her 30s already, but she looks to me like 20, ¿verdad? Bien jovencita. Me andaba tomando unas perras. I'm gonna do a selfie photo shoot. If you want to see those, you can go see them on my Facebook under Irma Chula. I did this. Look at it. I think it looks really cool. I'm pretty, although I don't think I'm pretty, but I like the way. Mira. ¡Ajas! Mira. Sorry, guys. ¡Hey, güey! Pinche Justin sale corriendo. Va a ir a hacer pipí. Pero sale corriendo bien funny, casi chipito así. The girls went to CVS to pick up my medicine. I've been waiting for my insulin, my Tugel. Como se me dan en el culo y me dan bien poquita. Pero when it's like 2 days before that, I'm all ordering it, reordering it. They're like, no, you don't. You need to go see the doctor. Okay, so I go see the doctor. Guess what? We went to the doctor last week. Diet Dr. Pepper. Oh, this one, Julia bought it for me. Yeah, don't touch nothing because I don't want to touch the phone. Es que el Jesse como 2 veces en mi Mukbang aquí, Karen, viene, oh mami, y pa, que se cae el pinche tripod.
Hello.
Hello, my baby. Hello, my darling. Hello, my angel eyes. Así me decía mi ex-boyfriend, the one that passed away, Alfredo. Rest in peace. I know he's resting in peace. Me escribía y me dice, what are you doing, my angel eyes? But I was not an angel eyes. It was him because he had green eyes, green hazel. Oh my God. I have a thing for green eyes, hazel eyes. Blue, not too much. I don't think I've ever gone out with anybody with blue eyes. I don't think so. But yeah, for some reason, most of my exes and all my exes live in Texas. All my exes live in Mexico. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to bust a nut, to bust anything, or burst your bubble or anything from men here in El Paso. But the men here in El Paso, like, no, como que no les atrae, no, they're not attracted to me. You know what I mean? I'm not attracted to them. Sorry, backwards. I'm not attracted to them. I've seen some hottie guys. Yeah, some have approached me and shit, man. But if you date somebody from El Paso, well, me, it's been my experience. They're so different. They're so different. I don't know. A lot of men that I've dated have been from Juárez or from Mexico y me han tratado a toda madre. Dice mi friend, es que querían papeles. No, güey, pues si no lo voy a arreglar a cualquier, mira, yo le arreglé a mi esposo, sí, pero si no era amor, ok, estuvimos casados 17 años, por favor, a huevo que era amor, no era papeles. In Facebook, guys, I swear to God, straight up, they're so straight up. All of the people that send me messages to my direct message, oh my God, guys, they are not shy to tell me straight up. Hasta, you know what they've told me? Send me money so I can go over there and we can marry. Charlitos at 20, okay? Y lo me said, I will make you happy the rest of your life. Dude, I'm 53. I don't have much of the rest of the life here yet. Ya me se me acaba ya se acabó la peseta, you know, la meter. Right now, guys, this came off for me. But you know what? It's so dirty. It's real silver, but you know what? It's because I sweat a lot. And one time, mira, ya está todo negro, like this now. You see that? And look at the chain. Well, now we're back on the chain gang. Oh, back on the chain gang. Remember that song in the 80s? And then Selena Quintanilla, rest in peace. She wrote it, todo lo que me queda de tu amor, solo fotos y recuerdos. By the way, yesterday I put up a new video. They're releasing a new video. A new album that Selena made before she passed. And it took them all these years to, I guess, put it together or whatever. I've heard one song already, and I posted it on my Facebook if you want to go see it, or if not, go look for it under YouTube under, I guess, Selena Quintanilla new release, I guess. Mira, I want to cry. It's because I haven't taken my pills, my depression pills, and if I don't take them at a certain time every day, I start getting all cry baby. Me pongo muchietas, yeah, it's true. Guys, remember yesterday in Mukbang, Jack in the Box? I didn't tell you the truth. Julia bought me 2 green chili burgers, okay? But since she can't smell, well, she was opening them and trying to see, she thought it was a normal cheeseburger, whatever. But she gave it to Jessie. Jessie took 2 bites and said, it's chili. So that was mine. So me la dieron para atrás con 2 bites, when I was mukbanging with one of my burgers, my new one, I took 2 bites and it was so delicious. It was heavenly, and a little bit of my curly fries. And I was talking to you guys, and I guess I wasn't hungry. I don't know what the fuck happened there, but I couldn't eat it. I couldn't eat it, and then I told Julia, "Mija, I don't know what's happening. Maybe because I'm feeling sick, but I'm not too. I don't have too much of an appetite right now. I don't know since yesterday. Because at first it was like, I hate it, I hated the fact that you can't taste and smell hardly anything. And I had made this yummy chicken salad, remember? I could taste it just a little bit. We got some beaners here going on. They're probably cold by now. Because they were, Julia. My beans came out. Guys, remember I told you? Well, if you follow me, or go follow me on Facebook, guys. Or if you're coming from over there, did you see what I posted? There's this girl. Let me know where I love them. I don't even know her name. But it's a thingy where I don't even know which one is the real girl. There's this one. She's not ugly, okay? But she don't wear makeup. She's got braces. She's got short hair. It's always like all messed up. And she's got really big eyes. And then the thing says in Spanish, like if the mom's talking to her, okay? And she's sitting there. And she's like, oh, guess what? The mom says, oh, guess what? And she says, what? Your brother's friend is flying in from out of town. He's gonna come. She says, which friend? And she said, look at you getting all stupid and excited. And she goes, which friend, Mom? Marcos. 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 Anyway, she mixes. You know what, guys? This salad just like it's sick. I'm gonna throw it away. It's sick. Let me tirarla. You know what? It's because yesterday when I made it, and then, or the day before, and then, like I told you, my appetite is like up and down. Yeah, it was sour. That's gonna give me cha-cha-cha. Diarrhea, cha-cha-cha. Diarrhea, cha-cha-cha. Ooh, I'm glad it's not spicy because then el de atrás paga. What's up? Gonna be worse coming out than it was going in. Oh, what I tell you? Oh, that was nasty. Not nasty enough for me to barf, but even though I'm sick with COVID and I don't have my full taste buds on there, they're on the off switch. Yeah, I could smell a little bit sour. You little sour puss. Tell him. Guys, long time ago I was supposed to go on live, and I don't have the balls to. I'm so scared, guys. I'm so freaking scared. Because I've seen how the haters treat a lot of the influencers, mukbangers, people that do makeup, anybody. They could be pretty as fuck. And people from the outside come in and comment the most ugliest things. And I'm very sensitive and I'm very chillona, so I don't know if I could take it, I know they're going to say, grandma. Well, I ain't a grandma yet. Oops, I'm going to say a word that I'm not supposed to have. I ain't a grandma yet. I wish I was. But since Ellie, my doggy, belongs to Julia, they always tell her that. Vete con tu grandma. Yesterday I was crying in the night, guys. I started feeling like I was leaning down on my phone, looking at my Facebook videos from the people that I follow, or jumping back to YouTube and watching other videos, whatever. But all of a sudden, like, flushed. Así, como si me iba a desmayar. Le iba a hablar a Julia. She was upstairs, but she's on her calls. She's on her at her work hour. I don't know how I texted it. Julia, come. Julia. And I took up. I don't feel well. Julia, help. She didn't come till like 20 minutes later. I felt so weak and so like this that I was just letting go of my body. And I said, I think my sugar is low. This is what I thought. I think my sugar is low and I think I'm going to go into a diabetic coma, is what I thought, because I just felt so like that, you know. I forgot to tell you, or I don't know if I told you that I got this. Julia, mira nomás, qué vergüenza. I'm sorry, guys. And I have my fajas there, shitload of fajas. Solo otros te recuerdo, piri pam pam. I feel Rican in this Puerto Rican. I love that. That little video with that little girl. Put it on her wig. I feel Puerto Rican in this wig. I feel Puerto Rican. I love it. See, I'm eating slow, like I'm hungry. Se ve bien rico y todo. Y a mí voy a comer una pernita y pues. So they get me one traditional, regional, and then the lemon pepper one. That's for the kids. Well, the three of them share that one, and then this one, me and half a chicken is enough for me. If I'm sitting here, I could probably eat half a chicken, tortillitas, and be with salsita shit. Espérame. Ahorita me tomé un selfie photo shoot bien perras. Today's Saturday. Tomorrow we cannot go to church yet. We all still have COVID. We should be over it by like Wednesday or Thursday. And then so we're not going to church on Wednesday either. Solo. Déjame le doy un frijolito, ¿sabes? Si le gustan hasta ridícula. Bibi's, my other dog, she was a Chihuahua. She was definitely the Chihuahua Mexico, because she loved beans. More the Mexican race is the that loves the beans, and we're just like Chinitos, they're accustomed to their rice. Their rice is, I guess what you could say, their tortilla. Coreanos, Vietnamese, Japanese, Chiniquis, todos esos Chiniquis. No offense to nobody. Ellos son los que les gusta mucho el arroz, comen mucho el arroz blanco, sin sal y nada, ¿eh? Me myself, I love white rice, but I make it, I guess you could say, I don't know if you could say Mexican-y. Yeah, Mexican-y, because when I'm boiling my water and then I add butter and I add a little bit of pepper. Pepper! Sorry, that didn't come out right. Let me do it again. Pepper. Okay. And I'll tell you a story about pepper again. I already told it to you, but okay, I'll tell it to you. Because yeah, I'm thinking that I have a lot of new subbies. My new subscribers, thank you for being here. Watching my video and watching this crazy loca. Toda OG, toda veterana, puro veterano aquí. I'm 53. I was born in 1969. I mean, that's why they named the position 69, because I was born and then you know it was gonna be kill. No, no, no. Este, I'm looking here at something. Hold on, look. Y'all know what this is, right? Rubik's Cube. When I was young, I think 12, 13, 14. Yeah, about 12, 13, and 14. I had this one. Not lying, okay? You know I don't lie. All you new subbies, I don't lie. I hate lies. I had a bigger one, but it was an octagon shape. I had the pyramid, and then I had one that looked like a snake, and you can like, you know, do it like this somehow, and then make it all one color. I'm not lying. I used to do the whole thing, the whole colors really fast. Like, you want to see me do a color? One that's hard. This one has different colors. So what do you want me to do? I'll do a blue. I love these. I fucking love this fucking reckon and this reckon. I love Rubik's Cubes. Solo photos y recuerdos. I don't know if you guys know how to do this or if you even like it, but I love Rubik's Cubes. And you know, now that I'm older, pues, they're really good to like just de-stress you. But it's got a weird feeling about it. This one, like, really igualito, really like if it's gonna break. And then later I learned how to do like two colors. It was this one and whichever one side, but I could do two. And then all of a sudden one day I did it all. But I was really young, and I can't do it all no more. Like right now, I don't think I could do it. See, orange, and I mean the orange is almost done. 1, 2, 3 more. But I don't think I can, because I don't think I could do it. I'd have to practice a lot. Anyways, I had a lot of those and I love them so much. I also had back in the day in the late 70s maybe, this game came out. It was called Simon. Not Simon Says, just Simon. Or was it Simon Says? I think just Simon. It was a platter like this with red, green, blue, and yellow. Sorry guys, I have bocos. And you would turn on, it would beep, and then you hit it. Beep, 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 beep. It was just a memory game. You had to. And I was very good at that as well. And I can remember, guys, and I'm not lying, I must have been about 6 years old. My brothers were already like in their teenage years. And we used to play outside kickball, a lot of kickball. Or dodgeball, or de todo, no? Check this out. My dad was a janitor at a school. He was a head custodian. So we lived like per se in the school, no? So in the winter time, when it was Christmas break, my dad would go on the chairs were all like in the cafeteria were all against the walls or whatever, and the tables was just clean right there. He would go and open the kitchen for us, which was right next door to our house, to go into the kitchen of the school. And they would always buy us skates and skateboards and shit. We would take a little fucking radio, busted up radio. All of us. Me and my 4 brothers and sisters. 1 sister, 3 brothers. Ooh, it was like our own skating rink. Me la pasamos a toda madre. And then across the street there was these apartments. And they had a really cool pool. And one lady that lived there, I think she was a teacher at the school, knew my dad, and she told him, we can go anytime we want to and swim. So we would always swim real nice. And then a little bit more up the street was the YWCA. I think we paid 35 cents, me and my little brother. To go swimming. Oh. So those are the really cool, I guess you could call it swim exercises or swim tricks, whatever. I remember I would hold on to the wall. backwards and they'll come back up. Así. Bien perra. Hacía muchos. I called it the candy cane when you go under the water. It looked like a candy cane. But I used to do a lot of work. So headstand y la chingada. Handstand. Set up at the bottom of the floor. The bottom. At the bottom of the floor. And I like the water a lot. But now that I'm an oldie, pues I prefer a heated pool. Like from the YMCA or the YWCA. I haven't swum in a heated pool since I had mi Juan. I had him in boxing. Yeah, when he was in boxing, we would go swimming. After he would do his boxing, he was 5, I believe. 5 years old. And then I am gonna eat all this because I'm hungry. I'm hungry, pero como sin ganas de comer, pero es que sabe rico. Where is it? Somewhere here on my table is a sriracha. There it is. Yeah, I said me antoja a veces no. Because it's too garlicky. I'm not too much into garlic. I remember when my husband, before he passed away, God rest his soul. Guys, I'm always talking about my exes, ¿verdad? That already passed, my husband and then my other ex just passed 3 months ago. Maybe because I don't have a life. Maybe because I'm single. I've been single for 2 years. Me and my ex-boyfriend separated. We had separated for like 2 years, and after that, I didn't date anybody anymore. I didn't want to, and I didn't feel like it. I'm not gonna say I me quedé decepcionada or whatever. No, it's just I just didn't want to date anymore. I got tired of it. I guess I don't know. It was God that changed me. I've told you that before. But it's because poor baby, I'm gonna tell you, it's not to talk bad about him. He's really resting in peace. When you have cirrhosis, as he did, your hígado is getting podrido. I know I'm gonna have cirrhosis later because when you're taking out medication for many years, it fucks with your liver. And a couple of my doctors told me that al rato me va a dar. I know I am. As long as I take care of myself, ¿verdad? Take my medication. And that's one thing that he wouldn't do. He didn't want to take his medication. He didn't want to go to his appointments. And I would tell him that, babe, you need to go to the doctor. Fuck it. It's a big yeah, fuck it. Oh, you pinche fuck it. He was such a clean man. We loved each other so much. I had him everything in my house. He would stay with me every single day. When we were together, if we weren't separated, because sometimes we were on and off. But he was with me. Always with me. This ring, he always had it on. I gave it to him. And then when I gave him, I would tell him, "Dame pinche niño, cabrón." I'm gonna get it back. Está loco, güey, ya no quiero nada con usted está bien pinche loco. And then he would say the stupidest thing. Es que yo y tú estamos crazies. I know, even if I was pissed, I couldn't be because he'd make me laugh. He was so fucking funny. And then those eyes, I'm telling you, they were green, and then he would go. He knew when I was like, a lo miraba y me perdían sus ojos porque se me hacían tan preciosos. Ya no me, yo como me empezaba a babear o algo yo, y ya me hacía. Ay, pinche viejo, me andas haciendo ojitos. Ay, no, qué bonito. I loved him so much. and he loved me. I must say, honestly, the 4 years that we were together, he loved me more in those 4 years than my husband did in the 17 years. It's because my husband grew up in Mexico, um, in the ranchitos, and that's because he told me. I'm not saying it or putting anybody down, but they're just like, they gotta work for their food, and it's not like we haven't made here, la neta, in the U.S. Uh, Over there in Juarez, everywhere in Mexico, they're poor countries, and they pay so little. So they have to work a lot. They have to work a lot more than 40 hours sometimes, and it's just like 50, $60 an hour. I mean, for the week. And so they have to make that money last and buy their kids stuff. And why you thinking, why is there so many like little swap meets, little like garage sales or whatever you call them? Tianguis, they come in Spanish. You know? If you're a couple with kids, you can't afford to be going to no freaking Walmart and buying each kid an outfit. It'll be more than what you make the week. Poor Jesus, I feel real bad for them. And I didn't know how good I had it until I met Jesse's dad and experienced life in Juarez with somebody with a family. And then I saw like, wow, it's I would complain. I would be mad because of things or whatever. Like, hold on. Like here, you can. I grew up in. I didn't grow up in. My kids grew up in housing, in the projects. But if your boiler busted or something, we never went without hot water, air conditioner, and shit like that. And over there they don't have that.